Hello all, my name's Kevin and welcome to Altitude Drone. On this beautiful, sunny but cloudy, slightly windy day here in the UK. So we're going slowly above the forest and height 160 feet. Let's go. High wind velocity. Let's drop down a little bit. Poor little drone will be struggling up there. So I hope all is well with everyone, and I hope you're enjoying my slow dive into the forest. I've got just under 80% battery and we're 8 to 9 feet in height, distance 729, going up away from my home point. See the HD signal there? Let's get back on so we're not chasing after it. So we're a few days away from the launch in the UK of the DJI Avata 360. I'm looking forward to it when mine arrives. Apparently it will handle the forest environment better than Nitro, but it won't handle the gaps as good as Nitro, because I feel Nitro is built for that, diving in and out. Let's gently descend down. Going back into the forest. Signals glitching up a little bit there. It's nice to see the green of the grass finally coming through after a long winter. It's absolutely gorgeous today, but windy, but gorgeous. Good time to fly your drone. Get out and relax. So we're 520 feet away. From where I am. %54 battery. The lovely yellows coming from the plants, just having that colour. It's so nice to see. So we got 47% battery. Cut through these grass and stuff. Let's hit a little bit of height. %. Feels like my battery's going down a little quicker today. Maybe it's working a little bit harder with the wind. Around here. Bit of a wooded area here. Low battery. Very much a wooded area. Let's stop there. Let's cut through here. No, we're not going to return to home. Not on this point. Let's cut through. Oops, got tangled there. Go back a bit. And let's work our way out of this situation. And that's what I mean, nitro's absolutely perfect for this environment. There we go. Let's get out from around here and find my home point, so we can get back safely. The gap right there. Battery level low. Oops. Go back up here. Transmission signal. Battery level low, 16%. Pushing it a bit, Kevin. Critical low battery. Nope, we're not landing. We're gonna go back home. 9% battery. Alright. Whiz through here. Add a little bit more pace. 7%. 6. Okay, I was chancing it there. I ain't gonna lie, got a bit disorientated with that wood. Thank you all for watching this latest edition of Altitude Drone, the slow deep dive into the forest with me and Nitro. Today, almost tripped up in the woods, but managed to get out. I went into a section. My curiosity got the better of me, but managed to get out. Then the battery was started to go down low, and I had to get back as quickly as possible, and just about managed to do that with 0% showing on the meter. Okay, learned from that lesson. DJI Avata 360 will soon be out in a few days time here in the UK. I'm looking forward to getting mine. It'll be another tool to the forest environment. It's going to have a great signal. I'll be testing that out. We'll see if it can penetrate the trees better than the Nitro can. But Nitro is the leading one in the forest because it can cut through gaps. So let's wait and see for that. So if you like this video, please press like. If you wish to subscribe, please subscribe. And all what's left for me to say is, this is Kevin from Altitude Drone, over and out. And have a great day, everyone, and see you in the comments.